Hello there. My name is Aniruddha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a peek at my plein air outdoor sketching kit. I'm going to start off with my backpack. This is what I use to carry my kit around. It's a simple canvas bag. I didn't buy it specifically for urban sketching. It was just something I had lying around. And as you can see from these batches, I now use it exclusively when I go out sketching. I've also added a layer of wax so that my bag is waterproof. Next is this cap. I live in Bombay, which is a very hot and humid city. Quite often, I am sitting outdoors in the sun when I'm sketching, so I absolutely need this. I need this for the very same reason, a large bottle of water. Not just for drinking purposes, but also to fill my water cup when I'm painting. Next up, let me show you my pencil case. This wasn't purchased specifically for urban sketching. It was just something I had lying around at home. Let's start with sharpener, eraser, and a small white oil pastel, which I use to mask some areas when I'm painting. This is a white glass cutter's pencil, which I use at the end of my sketches for highlights. This is a white 0.7 uniball gel pen. I use it for the same purpose as this pencil here. This is a regular black Sharpie. This is a 1.0 tip uniball gel pen. This is a regular black ballpoint pen, 0.5 tip. This is a 0.2 tip Sakura fine liner. This one here is my Fude Nib Sailor ink pen. I use carbon waterproof ink in this particular pen. The nib is such that it allows me to put down both thick and thin lines. And I have three pencils, 3B, 8B, and HB. This here is my current sketchbook. It is a Strathmore mixed media journal, 190 GSM, 100% cotton. Its size is 9 inches by 11 inches, which is a fairly comfortable size for me currently. I'm enjoying sketching in this size. What I like about this sketchbook is its spiral binding, which allows me to fold it in half when I'm sketching. I don't usually sketch across the gutter in this size. The paper is fairly similar on the back and the front. Takes watercolor quite well. It's smooth in nature. And I like my paper to be smooth because I use a lot of pens in my outdoor urban sketching. Next, let us look at some of my smaller accessories. This is a simple spritz bottle filled with water. It serves two purposes. One, to moisten my watercolors before I start painting, and two, to clean out the mixing area in my palette when I need some clean space. Next is this rag. I prefer this Turkish towel material to a regular cotton rag because this is a lot more absorptive in nature. This is my water container. Comes with a lid. Since it takes up a good amount of space in the backpack, I make sure to utilize the space in it with paper clips and paper tissue. Next, let me show you my paint box. It's a generic piece. It used to house 12 half pans, but I have customized it now. And it houses 8 full pans and 2 half pans. It has these 2 flaps, 2 mixing areas here. There appear to be 4 here, but they don't quite work that well. It has this ring at the back for you to put your finger through when standing and painting. I know color choices is what excites you the most, and I've done a separate video on my color choices. Link will be in one of the top corners for this video. I have changed my color choices since then a little bit. I've reduced my selection from 12 to 9 now. And finally, a look at my brushes. I carry them around in this transparent stationery pack. In it, I also keep an extra paper clip and extra piece of tissue. Recently, I have started using these folding travel brushes. These are all Escoda Versatile brushes, a synthetic sable hair imitation. I am quite enjoying them and I would recommend them to you as well without much hesitation. This one's a size 4. This one's a size 8. And this one is a size 12. They're all the same hair. This one, my flat brush, is a little different. It's very, very old. I think it is synthetic hair and it's by a local manufacturer called Aurora. Thank you for joining me here today. If you have made it so far into this video, there's a small bonus for you. Here's a couple of photographs of me using this kit out in the field. Please remember to do all the YouTube things like subscribe, ring the notification bell. If there is any stationery items from this video that you would like a longer review on, please let me know down in the comments. I will see you in the next one.